Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. I was down for a while. Welcome back to GeoKloud Academy. So in our today's video, we're still on the spectral indices, and what we'll be looking at today is the NBR, NBR, which is the normalized burn ratio. So basically, the key imbalances index for mapping wildfire is severity and burn scars is built by comparing high near-infrared reflectance of healthy vegetation to the elevated shortwave infrared reflectance of the charred ground. So just as the explanation, the bands we'll be using on the NIR and the shortwave infrared 2 bands, which makes our formula NIR minus SWIR2 all divided by NIR plus SWIR2. The band combination as visible on our screen. So for our today's video, we'll be working with the Landsat 8, which gives us our formula to be B5 minus B7, which is band 5 obviously. So let's get straight into it quickly. So open my attribute table, sorry, my processing toolbox, Raster Calculator, B5 minus B. So bracket open, band 5 minus band 7, bracket close, divided by bracket open again, so bracket open, band 5 plus band 7, bracket close, and run my analysis. So the result I have gives me the burn ratio of the location we're looking at. So most likely this will be because the area where I'm working with is not necessary. So here's the result I have, giving me the burn ratio of the study area I'm working. Analysis that we've just done can be used to map out wildfire severity and burn scar in any area of interest. Hope I've been able to assist you to do the analysis you're trying to do. This has been GeoKloud Academy. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our video. See you in the next one. As always, happy mapping.